Today I'm making Soop Pak, a Lao vegetable salad dish with a fish twist for added heartiness. I'll start by roasting shallots, ginger, garlic, and chilies until they get a bit of char on them. Also, in a small saucepan, add the optional fish, water, padek, a couple slices of the ginger, and MSG. Let that boil until the fish is cooked through, turn off the heat, and let it cool. Use any vegetables you like. I'm using green beans, baby broccoli, wood ear mushrooms, and button mushrooms. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Blanch the vegetables for 1.5 to 2 minutes. Remove them from the boiling water using a slotted spoon and transfer into a bowl. Using a mortar and pestle, pound the roasted shallots, ginger, chilies, and garlic until you get a paste. Then add the cold fish and pound until the fish is flaky. Transfer this mixture into the bowl with the blanched vegetables. Toss all of this together, adding just enough of the padek broth to flavor and coat the salad. Garnish with green onions, cilantro, and ginger leaves straight from the garden for that little bit of gingery pop of brightness. Finish with toasted sesame seeds for a bit of nuttiness. The bites with fish are reminiscent of bun ba, delicious. For the full recipe and notes, visit crumbs.com.